tara na, diretso tayo.
Pwede bang dumiretso?
Oo. Come on. Like a racetrack.
That's why there's a lot of police.
You know,
So what happened, Mark?
There was an accident yesterday when we were here, the sharp turn where I did overshoot. Well, they didn't put a sign. They should put a 20-mile-per-hour sign. So now today, when we passed that turn, we saw an accident at the same spot where I did overshoot yesterday.
Well, it's a good thing we didn't ride yesterday.
Well, now I know, so it won't happen again. But yesterday it was my first time, so I didn't know that it was a very sharp turn and there was no sign, or there's no sign.
Yeah. So how you guys like the road here?
Very nice, a lot of sweeping turns.
Yeah.
You kind of think it's just a simple turn and you're just like, oh, keeps going.
It's a long turn, huh?
Keeps going, yeah.
Like a
Yeah.
racetrack, that's what I like. It's long and flowing.
Yeah, that's the way you can take off your chicken strips.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Do you know how long it's gonna be?
I couldn't even tell you. It depends on how fast they get it cleaned up or whatever.
They let us pass earlier.
Did they?
yeah, we were just, I mean, we're motorcycles, man.
Yeah.
We're not gonna eat the whole road. Well, let me see if, you know, let's ask them.
Can you tell them if we can pass? Just a motorcycle?
Copy that.
Thanks,
Coming
man.
down now. Real slow.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
All right.
Hey, tell Kevin that, you have traffic coming up northbound?
No, he said it's
Gotcha, copy that. What's up, Nick?
So when are you gonna get your gear? Huh? When are you gonna get some gear?
Mark, are you going to skinny dip
Next time.
next time?
When I wear my thong.
How about you, Nick? You were showing your cleavage earlier when you were riding. Did you see it?
I saw a little glimpse. He kept hiding it away. I'm like, oh, let me see more.
Ready?
Let's go. So I will stay in the front so I can videotape you guys. Totoo. Totoo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ko na kailangan ng full exhaust eh.
Yan ang 1,000. Ipis natin ah.
Oo.
Oh.